Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 118. A local bakery sells sourdough bread for $6.50 per loaf. The cost to produce each loaf is $2.25, and the bakery has fixed monthly costs, rent, utilities of $1,500. Which of the following equations represents the monthly profit P for selling X loaves of bread? So let's review on the setting up problem like this. So as we know, first we have to find the profits per unit. The profit is the selling price minus the cost to make it. So the difference between the price you sell out and the unit cost, you have to use that much money to make one product. So the difference between that will be your profits per unit. So we have the price. This is the price per loaf. Okay. So to produce the cost to produce one, that is 2.25. So you're selling at the price 6.5, and then you have to use $2.25 to make it. So the difference between that, you will have the price is 6.5 minus 2.25. That will be equal 4.25. So you will earn 4.25 for each sourdough bread selling. So now the fixed cost is the amount of money you have to pay out of pocket, or you have to lose the money. That is like you will memorize. If you earn money, that's positive. If you lose money, that is negative. So in this case, because you have to pay for the rent, that is you lose your money. So it means this is a minus amount. Okay, that negative amount. So now you see the fixed cost right here is 1500. Now as you see in the answer choices, you will have 4.25x, and you will see that numbers, right? That is like the number you have in hand. So now what they say, each month they sell X loaf of bread. So if you see right here is profit per loaf is 4.25, and then number of loaf we sell, that is X, you multiply it, right? You do the multiplications, okay? That is the total profit you earn by selling. But you have to subtract the fixed cost because that is the part of losing. Earning positive. This is positive right here. And then losing money, that is minus. Okay, so you will have 4.25x minus 1,500. This is the net profits, the final profits you will get, or the money you will earn. So C is the correct answer. Okay, so let's see how we remember it. So just say if I sell one bread, I will earn $4.25. Okay, so if I selling X bread, how many money I will earn? You will see that we have the cross multiply divide by the rest. So cross multiply divide by 1. So that will give you the question mark right here will be 4.25 times x. Okay, and then divide by 1. It's just that thing, so we don't have to. So this is the total amount you will earn before paying the rent, okay, or the fixed cost. So if you forgot about this method, you can also thinking, hey, if I selling one dough, right, one bread, I will earn 4.25. So if I sell 2, of course I earn double, right? If I sell 2, I earn double. So the number of the bread I will sell, of the loaf I will sell, will be multiplied by the profits per loaf, right? So this one will be 4.25 times 2. So if this is x, you multiply by that. Okay, so go back to answer choices. And you see that you will have 4.25, so B and C you automatically eliminate it. Now go back to adding or subtracting. We're talking about if it the fixed cost, it means you lose your money. Losing always minus. So that's why we choose C. This one cross. And if you still struggle with understanding, so here, let's say you're selling, okay, this is $6.5, this is $0 earned. So this is 1 bread, this is 0 bread, right? So if you're selling, you got $6.5, but you spend 2.25 to make it. So this is the cost you lose for one dough, okay? And then you will see the profits, the green part right here, is the difference between 6.5 subtract 2.25, and this is the 4.25 in difference, and that is your profits per unit or per loaf. Then if you sell 2, so it's another one, right? If you sell another one, it's still the same, right? You still earn 4.25. You can add them up, right, and continue. But because we understand that, we don't have to draw like that, or just saying like 4.25 times whatever the numbers of loaves of bread you will sell. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.